You will love the features of this 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, rear reading lamps, automatic headlights. Enjoy the driving satisfaction you deserve. This Jetta is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.